Best plants for living wall indoors. Choosing the right plants for your living wall is crucial to its success. The plants you select should not only be visually appealing but also thrive in the specific environmental conditions of your space. Some of the best plants for indoor living walls include philodendrons, pothos, ferns, and spider plants. These plants are low maintenance, adaptable to different light levels, and can grow well in a variety of soil types. 10 best plants for living wall indoors. Living walls, also known as green walls, are a fantastic way to bring nature indoors, purify the air, and create a stunning visual impact. Here's a detailed list of the 10 best plants that thrive in indoor living wall environments. 1. Pothos, known for its hardiness and fast growth, is an ideal plant for beginners looking to create a living wall. Its trailing vines can create a lush, green curtain effect in any indoor space. Light requirements: low to medium light is ideal. Watering: prefers the soil to be allowed to dry out between waterings. Special features: hardy and fast-growing. Excellent for creating a cascading effect. Ferns add a touch of lush, green texture to living walls. Varieties like Boston fern and maidenhair fern are popular choices, known for their delicate fronds and air purify qualities. Light requirements: prefer indirect light. Some can tolerate low light. Watering: need consistently moist soil. Special features: provides a lush, green texture, good for air purification. 3. Spider plant is easy to grow and maintain. Its ability to produce baby spider plants, or spinnerets, which dangle from the mother plant, makes it an attractive addition to any living wall. Light requirements: thrives in bright, indirect light. Watering: water well but let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Special features: produces spinnerets, a great option for adding variety. For Philodendrons are loved for their heart-shaped leaves and ease of care. The heartleaf and Brazil varieties are especially suitable for living walls, providing a tropical feel. Light requirements: prefers medium to bright indirect light. Watering: let the top inch of soil dry before watering. Special features: heart-shaped leaves, ideal for a tropical-themed living wall. 5. English ivy is a classic choice, known for its elegant trailing vines and excellent air-filtering abilities. It can adapt to various light conditions, making it versatile for indoor living walls. Light requirements: bright, indirect light is best, but can adapt to low light. Watering: keep the soil evenly moist. Special features: classic trailing vines, great for air purification. 6. Peace lily is not only beautiful with its white flowers, but also effective in improving indoor air quality. It's a great option for adding a flowering element to your living wall. Light requirements: does well in low to medium light. Watering: prefers moist soil but is sensitive to overwatering. Special features: elegant white flowers, improves air quality. 7. Snake plant is known for its striking vertical leaves and exceptional air purify qualities. It's incredibly hardy and can tolerate a range of light conditions. Light requirements: low light tolerant, prefers bright light for faster growth. Watering: water only when the soil is completely dry. Special features: vertical leaves, excellent air purifier. 8. Plant is a low-maintenance option with glossy leaves, suitable for both bright and low light conditions. Its drought tolerance makes it an easy choice for living walls. Light requirements: adapts well to low or bright indirect light. Watering: allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Special features: glossy leaves, very drought tolerant. 9. The bird's nest fern, with its unique rippled fronds, is ideal for adding texture and a touch of the tropics. It thrives in humid conditions and prefers consistent moisture. Light requirements: medium to bright, indirect light. Watering: keep soil consistently moist. Special features: rippled fronds, thrives in humid environments. 10. The lipstick plant is known for its bright red flowers and trailing habit, making it a visually striking addition to any living wall. It thrives in bright light and regular moisture. Light requirements: prefers bright, Indirect light. Watering. Keep soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Special features. Bright red flowers, trailing habit for visual interest. Creating a living wall is a great way to bring greenery into your home while occupying minimal living space. However, selecting the right plants for your living wall can be challenging. Here are some tips to help you choose the best plants for your living wall.